Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation organizes workshop on administrative data for governance improvement. The Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation today organized a national level consultative workshop in New Delhi on using administrative data for governance, harmonizing departmental data at the state and union territory level. The workshop is part of the preparatory process for a national level deliberative summit titled Data for Development to be held in April this year. Addressing the inaugural session, Secretary of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology S. Krishnan stressed the need to break data silos and promote responsible data sharing to enable real-time evidence-based governance. Further, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation Secretary Dr. Saurabh emphasized calling upon states to institutionalize data-driven governance through wider consultations at state and district levels. The day-long workshop featured thematic sessions on harmonizing administrative data, improving interoperability, and building AI-ready linkable by design data systems. It concluded with a shared commitment to strengthen coordinated evidence-based governance across states and union territories. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.